to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn on or off the photosensitive epilepsy toggle and warning. The photosensitive epilepsy toggle and warning aims to protect those who may be sensitive to some of TikTok's creative effects. You can choose to filter out videos that contain TikTok effects that may cause visual sensitivity. You will be shown a warning that says this video contains flashes of light that could trigger seizures for people and visual sensitivities. If you skip this video, we'll remove the photosensitive videos, and this kind of warning will be available to you when some of those photosensitive videos are on your playlist. To manage the feature from settings and privacy, I'll teach you to do that right now. Let's do it. Now, without further ado, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to manage the feature from this photosensitive epilepsy toggle and warnings feature from your TikTok, let's go to our TikTok app first. You know the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Just click there. After you have clicked there, you will see your interface like this, or your profile like this, and you can see the three-lined icon in the top right corner of your phone, which will be this, and tap there. Go to settings and privacy, and you can see the accessibility option over here, which was a little down, but we can scroll down there, no worries. You can find the accessibility option over here. Just tap on it, and you can see the remove photosensitive videos option here. Turning on your photosensitive epilepsy toggle and warning is this easy on TikTok. And if you have any comments or question relating this topic, feel free to comment on the comment section below. Peace, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.